Hi guys, it's Christina, and the subject of this video has come from you. A lot of you wanted to learn more about gut flora. A great subject, thank you so much for bringing it up. And if there's anything else you would like me to address on my channel, please do comment below. Gut flora is a complex community of microorganisms that live in our digestive tracts. Studies have found that the way our body converts food into energy depends on the variety and the type of microorganism in our gut flora. So a lean person tends to have a healthier and also the good type of microorganism in their digestive system. If the good microbes flourish in a healthy environment in our digestive system, then that helps us lose weight or maintain weight. More studies have also found that without the gut flora, issues such as depressive behavior, anxiety, and also lack in sociability and cognition arise. So I'm sure you are wondering, how can you improve your gut flora? So I'll tell you. My number one tip is what Dr. Hyman recommends. What he says is that we should ensure that 75% of our meal should be veggies. By eating more veggies, we ensure that the flora in our digestive system flourish and that we also feed the good microbes. Number two is to eat good fats such as avocado, almonds, coconut oil, olive oil. You will also notice that the more of good fats you eat, the more you will feel like exercising. And if you do, then go out and do your activity. Number three is to consume food that contain probiotics such as sauerkraut and fermented vegetables. If you find it difficult to consume probiotics via food, then take the pills. Just need to make sure that the gut flora is healthy to help you with your mood and to help you with your weight. So these were a very short educational video for you today. If you liked it, please do support it. Do comment on the section below with what else you want me to address on this channel. And do subscribe because there is a wealth of information on this channel and there will be more coming. See you in the next episode.